Hello and welcome back to our series of videos. My name is Francisco and I work for Virtual CNS. In this particular video, I'm going to show you an example of something that is very popular out there these days. And it's actually in conversation when you are already an Office 365 user, and then you are working on a particular application, in this case, Excel, okay? A very common question is, say for example, you are already into SharePoint, you are collaborating with other users, everything is working really fine, but there comes to a point where you need to use the local application in your desktop, in this particular example, the Excel. And the reason for that is because, I'm going to actually close this out when I explain to you. The reason for that is that there's a lot of formulas in the Excel file. And yes, there is certain limitations when you're using the application, web-based or the web version, let's put it that way. And then you do need to use the local application. So there's a lot of questions. How do I do that? How do I actually check off, check in, or download or upload? So there's a lot of confusion about that. So we're going to talk about that specifically in this video. So let's say, for example, this is a very complex Excel file. A spreadsheet, and then obviously it's very large and it has functionalities that you cannot really accomplish here. So one of the things that I typically do, if you go back to the actual file, if you click on this in this section right here, all the files to the right side, there is actually a menu available, let's put it away, for the files. There's going to be an option here called Open, and then there's going to be this Open in App. Okay, and it tells you right away, this is going to open, it wants to open this application in Excel automatically. You see this button right here. So you click on that, and then that's it. Okay, so you're opening. So let's actually find out, okay, we're going to actually open up the actual file, which is in the web version in the back, and the actual file here in my computer. Obviously, I'm using here, the one that I'm moving at this moment is the full version of this application. I had to install this in the computer. Okay, for that you do have to be, you have to have the membership. Let's put it this way. When it comes to a premium, okay. Some other, depending on the purchase that you made, you are not going to be able to install the application fully in your computer. Okay, those are only allowed for special users that are under the premium membership of Office 365. But anyways, then we have here, so let's actually see if this works. As you can see, as soon as I move the mouse around, okay, this is what we call collaboration, meaning that if somebody else is doing this change, I'm going to be able to see, and live is actually changing, as you guys can notice. So yeah, it is true. You don't have to upload, download, check in, check out. Nothing like that. It's just automatically, it's on autosave unless you do this. And then of course, when you actually save, nothing is happening. But if you click on this one, it's an automatic live save process in reality. Okay. So again, you are done with the file. You simply close it. Okay. And that's it. All the file is already updated in the system. So this is a way for you to do more functionality, maybe an advanced calculation, maybe you feel more comfortable by using the local application. Some people do, instead of using this particular version of the application. And that's it. So if, for example, if you're finished, if you want somebody else, maybe a coworker, to be able to see and review your work, the only thing that you have to do is be able to tell them that the file is actually updated. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So this answers the question. Yes, you do have the option to download. If you click on download, it's only going to be able to edit the file, and then you do have to upload again if you want the file updated in the website. So that's the main difference between open this option right here or download as well. So again, hopefully this helps for those out there that are kind of don't know exactly how to do and be able to edit the application from the web version and also from the desktop. Thanks again for watching us. My name is Francisco, and if you have any questions, you can send us an email to info@virtualcns.com. Thanks again.